Okay, see, address 2 has been added. Okay, now I wanted to remove this address 2. Simply just click on it, alter table student altered. Now if I do select a star from this, what you will get? Address 2 has been removed. Okay, are you clear? Are you clear up to here?
Delete the column.
Delete.
Delete.
That's what. Delete is always what? Drop comes under which language? Delete comes under which language? Delete is always manipulated, data manipulation language. You can do with the data manipulation only, not with the metadata. You can't do anything. Okay, clear? The other thing is like I want to drop other column also. So if you want to drop other columns at a time, you can do this way. Yes, address comma yes. So it will drop. You can add multiple columns also here. Add something is AS3 of something data type also you can define. Okay, some like integer I want to give. Integer of 10. So this way also you can add a new column to the table. Okay. So right parenthesis is missing here. Address is to so whenever you are this one, like you can data type, yeah. Some integer. Type. Just to already there or what? Just to varchar2. So table student altered. Okay, so here like you have to give this one. So I have added 2 columns at a time. Okay, to the table. So clear guys up to here. And one more thing I want to tell is like suppose I was doing the update, right? Update student. Okay, so address. I'll just add one more thing. A is equals AS2 equals to integer I have given, right? So update student1 student ID. Like I want to update the age here. Okay, age equals to. I want to add address to, let's say. Address to equals to. Since I have given 35. Okay. What if I give more than 35 characters?
It will throw error.
What happened? While you too large for column student1, it will give like actually the length is 58 and it is saying 35. Okay, always like you have to specify in a certain like whatever the columns length is there, up to that only you can give the address name. Okay, now you have created a whole your database and table, everything you have created. Now you wanted to change your varchar size. You wanted to change the size of your varchar, like your address to. How you will do? So ఇప్పుడు ఏమైందంటే like since address 2 లో like later మీ database అంతా డిజైన్ చేసిన తర్వాత first you thought like okay 35 is the maximum length అంతవరకు ఇస్తే సరిపోతుంది. But later you realize that like there are some values which are coming more than 35 length.
Alter table column name and
so you wanted to change your data type size. How you will do? Alter table. So alter table, the command is alter table, whatever the table you wanted to change, student1 modify, then you need to give what is the column name you want to give, you can give. So here suppose I want to give address to, okay, address to varchar2 of 50 I want to give. Table got altered. Okay. Now another question raised to me, like in my mind. Suppose I am getting like, suppose okay, I have modified it to this one. Suppose already like I have inserted this table, some 35 to insert. Let's say address 2. Let me add some address here. Update set address 2 equals to something I have added like this. Okay, for 105. Control enter. I did. So select star from students, control enter, I did. So now these two are there. Now what I wanted to do is like, I want to change, alter my address to 10, alter table student 1, modify address to varchar 10. If I give this way, cannot decrease column length because some value is too big. So once you already insert your data, if it is like maximum length kanda takkuva meer modify cheyalanunte, you can't do. Why? Already there is some data which is bigger than that, so it will not allow you to do. Clear? Got clear? So decreasing size of varchar and char fails. Okay, when it is more than that, like I'll write here, increasing will work, altering, but decreasing will not work. Alter fails. Okay, while decreasing size of varchar 2 and char when the existing data size is more than the decreased limit. Clear? Everyone got clear? Clear, everyone?
Clear, clear.
Chindu, are you clear?
Yeah, I was there, but I need to catch up a little, so it takes some time. To understand what you explained, but I need to address these things from my side. So I was missing last 2 classes.
That's what I am telling in the first session only. Like you just need to go through my classes and you need to practice this.
Yeah,
Otherwise, like it will be like
I'll
this.
go.
You'll be messed up.
I'll address all these syntaxes and all by myself. Just I had some issue with my PC. I'll work out on it and I'll let you know in a couple of days. No issue. Now I can understand what you can explain, but I can't relate how it works on background. I was
So, okay, no problem.
Yeah.
So Manju is saying like she wants to change the table name. Okay. Actually, like you can rename your column name. Okay. Now I have given by mistake, I have given as address 2. Now I want to change it to something else. Address underscore street. How you will do? You have to use alter table student rename address underscore street I want to give. Okay. You just add it and enter it.
No column name ఇచ్చి అప్పుడు కదా ఏ column
Sorry,
name
sorry.
I need to understand.
Sorry.
You
One
need to
second.
give
Address.
last previous column
Yeah,
name and-
address to rename. Okay, whatever you wanted to change it to the previous address to address to okay, address underscore street. So this way you can do.
Data type is not needed. Huh?
Your data type is not needed. Okay, 1 second.
Student 1 column name rename.
Student rename. Okay, rename column. Yeah, address to this one. So table student 1 is altered. Okay, this way like you can do the column rename. Okay, you can do the column rename. Clear, right, guys? Guys, are you clear or not?
Yes, clear.
Clear.
So like you must be very careful like when you're doing all this, like you just need to practice it, like creating a table and adding some values, updating values, alter the table, this column names, renaming the column names. These are very basic things when you're going to like the job, like they may ask you like today also like one person like he was asking me like he joined as a like 3 or 4 years of experience. They asked him to change the column names and truncate the column these things. Like you should be fundamentally strong. Okay, then after that like syntax, okay, like whether you can do or not, like you can get it in the from Google also you can get it, but you need to know the concept. Okay, this way we can do, then you can do it. Okay, so simply there are 4 things: alter table command, add column, drop column, rename column, modify data. For if it is add column, alter table, student, add address. If it is a drop column, alter table, student, a drop of what like whatever the column you want to drop. If it is rename, like student, rename from which column and which column to which column. And also if you want to add like modify the data type, you can do it with the modify. Clear, right? So with this, like we have completed DDL these things. So from tomorrow, like it is very much important where we will be going through a lot of complex things will be there. So today I'll talk like more like select star from student you got, right, and the data also got. Like I have taken some bigger data sets. Like I also told you guys like how to dump a CSV file into the table. Did you guys try it? Like you have to try it. You have to load the tables. Okay. Like just half an hour, 1 hour, you need to spend the time. Otherwise, it is very difficult for you guys to like catch up. Okay. What the class miss and one practice also you miss, like you won't get anything. Okay. I wanted to see select the star from customer. So this much of data is there. Now what I said, like where condition I said, where I want to see like you have lot of data is there. Okay, you have lot of data is here. Address is there, city is there, state is there, zip is there, and country also there. Currency, these things are there. I want to see the people from u dot s dot a. How many are there like u dot s dot a? How you will see? Where country equals to you will give. Okay, country equals to u dot s dot a. Okay, if I give like this, what you got? You got nothing.
You missed it.
What I missed?
Dot. A dot.
So exactly like you got like you dot s dot a, but this is sometimes you may miss it. Like I missed it, right? You missed it. You may miss it. What you can do is like you can give like, okay, even if I miss it, if I give this way, okay, percentile, still you are getting it. What does it mean? At the end, I have given this percentile. The u dot sa after whatever it may be, it will come. Suppose I give like this u percentile. What it will do? It should start with u and end with anything. So you can just enter it. So country equals to
US.
all the values which are there in US, USA, anything you will get. Okay. Now I want to see another condition. Okay, US. Okay, in the US I want to see some who are belong to LA, Los Angeles. Okay, I want to see who are belongs to Los Angeles. How you will do? Along with US, I want to see the people who are in the state of Los Angeles. Then what you can do, I'll tell you all these things afterwards. Operators like I'll cover. So you can use a state end condition and state like this way you can give. Okay. Then do the control enter. Now what you see? You are getting all the records of country US and the state LA. Now I have changed my mind. I want to see 2 states at a time. Okay, in the country US, I want to see 2 states at a time. Let's see, there are some NJ. What is the state we have here? Like different states are there. CA, California. California is there. Like I want to see state like one is that Los Angeles. I want to see Los Angeles. I want to see and or okay.
C.
Like
C.
can I give like this? CA. Can I like this? Can I give like this? If I give like this, so missing expression. What is missing expression? You have to give our state again. State like CA. So done this way. What happened? State US like country US it is saying. Okay, and then state like LA and CA. But this is like little. Suppose again it is coming another thing. I want to see some other state also. How you will see now? Again, do you write like R state like something like NZ, or like if you write like R state like NJ, is this the good way?
No.
You are getting it. Still, it is in a good way. So you can just simplify it this way. Okay, CA, comma. Okay. You can simplify like LA, comma.
C.
So you can give instead of this one, you can give in of. Okay, you can give this way. So enter it. So what it is doing? It is giving all the states, all from the country US or USA anything, and the state with CA, California, NJ, New Jersey or Los Angeles. All these 3 states, people deciding those things, like it is giving. Clear, right? Guys, are you clear or not? One response.
Yes.
Clear? Divya, is it clear to you?
Actually, if you're using that after country like US and state in bracket, no, state and LA and CA and NJ, can we give like that?
Like here in this end, like this, you want to give?
Yes. Yeah. CA and NJ, and instead of in, like. Okay.
You want to give like.
Yes.
Okay. So, is it happening? No.
Actually, end ante rendu. It should be 2 either one or ante either one aitadi. And aithe rendu condition ante LA avali, CA avali, NJ avali.
Use for only 2.
So you can give somewhere like this, like state like again, everything. That's what like even you can give R also. You can give again, if you want to check like this, state like, so this will not give you any records, I think, because it is a end condition. It's at a time it should satisfy the state LA, CA, and NJ in the same way it should satisfy. Do you think it will give any rows?
No.
So that like actually like if you know logical things, those things I will cover actually. So here it gives state like NJ. Okay. So this is a logical ender, logical no. Okay. Should be
Okay.
careful like when you're doing this one. State like LA, state like okay. State like CA and need to give end here. Like state like. So this is not a good way. You have to give in, that is why like making it as a in means like in that like it will take R. You cannot have a at a time like all these conditions for each column. For one column in SQL it will value only one value. So that's why. Clear, right?
Yeah, it's clear. The other way is clear. I thought we can do like this also.
Yeah. Navya, is it clear to you? Chandu?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. I think today we can wind up to this, but guys, please like install it and do the practice of these things, adding columns, deleting columns, and all. If you're not doing like you can't get like you will not get anything. Okay, I'm just continuously telling you are not practicing anything. And also one more thing is that please when I said 7:30, please join 7:30. I have to wait for 5 more minutes. That's not a good thing, like okay. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can wind it up. Any concept you are not clear? Respond, guys.
Damodar,
Yeah.
if we want to like, can we drop one full row at a time?
Full row, like you can, yes, you can.
How
So
to do?
I like for that you need to row means like not the column, the data you wanted to delete. So suppose like address student ID equals to this one I wanted to delete. Okay. So first thing like let me first see the data here. I'll show you the data. Student 1. Select a star from student 1. So I have this data. I wanted to delete the table like the row student ID equals to 4. Okay, Damodar is full name is Damodar is there. Something okay, and then it will delete this way. I wanted to delete wherever student ID is null. Okay, how will delete? Delete from student 1. Okay, where student ID is null.
Is null.
Okay,
Okay.
student ID is null. What it will do? One row is got deleted. Okay, you can see now. Select
Start from student.
It's now. I do select
Start from student.
Hey, so that's why you need to always make sure like you're giving the at the end like semicolon. So if I do select start from now, like null is there previously, that column like that row is completely deleted.
Okay, okay.
Okay, you can delete anyway like using any of the columns where condition you can do and delete.
Okay, okay.
This thing I think I have told you already in the first of the delete and drop.
Okay.
Okay. You can only delete entire row, but you can't delete a particular value for that one. You can just update the value.
Okay.
That is one thing. Okay. Any other questions you have, guys? Babu, is it clear to you?
Clear, Damo.
Gauri, are you there? Okay, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.